You cannot tell me this is not my hair. This is what it is looking like on right now. You can definitely see the layers throughout the wig. I know it probably looks a little crazy right now, but you already know. I'm gonna make sure I get this look. They did a very, very, very good job.